Hi everyone! Good morning! It's a rainy Saturday morning. Right now, we just done installing full HKS exhaust system on this unit, Fortuner GR. It composed of the downpipe, okay, here, downpipe, all the way to the back. This is the factory. Okay. This is their latest release. Side dual exit made of carbon fiber. Okay, start the engine please. Rev. One more time. Off. We also have for Toyota Revo the all-new gen Wild Track and the all-new Everest coming, Montero, Navara, and many more. Feel free to message me here at PRS. Stay dry always, guys. Bye!